Resetting all settings on the Galaxy S25 restores system preferences to their defaults without deleting personal data, accounts, or installed apps. This is how it is done. Start by tapping the Home button to return to the home screen. Then swipe down from the top of the screen and tap the Settings icon. In Settings, scroll down and select General Management. From there, scroll again and tap on Reset, then choose Reset All Settings. This will restore system preferences but won't affect security settings, language settings, accounts, personal data, or app-specific configurations. To proceed, tap Reset Settings, enter your phone's PIN, and confirm by tapping Reset. Once completed, you may need to reconfigure certain preferences, such as Wi-Fi passwords. And that's it. If this video helped you out, be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching.